Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your working hours in your Microsoft Teams so that it displays with your profile, and then it helps because sometimes people, especially if they are in other geographies or other regions, they may not be aware of your um, working hours, and you can also specify the time zone so that things are accurate when such communications go through. So what happens in Microsoft Teams is this setting gets synced with Outlook calendar. So basically you're going to do this in Outlook calendar, and then it's going to get passed on to Microsoft Teams. How you're going to do? Go to your Outlook, you see, okay, and you have to go to calendar settings. I mean Outlook calendar. Here you have work hour and location. Okay, select your working hours, what time. You can specify the location also. Okay, and show work location on my calendar. So this option needs to be checked, then it will appear in the calendar. Share your location. People on organization can see. And if you don't want to share your location, you can do this. Can be general or location, office or remote, whatever. I mean, that you can do. And then you can just save it. That's it. Okay. If you want to make any change on a particular day you work, so the moment you make any change here, you'll see that save button gets enabled here. And with this, like once you do, things will be shown. And if you're working remote any day, you can do this also. And you can save it. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.